What's up, y'all? So, I've been filming all day. That's hence my disastrous red lips. And it's time to take my makeup off. So I thought that I would just do kind of like a vlog style of my skincare routine for you guys, so you can see how I remove my makeup, how I, cleanse my skin, do all the moisturization and stuff like that. But I didn't want to make it formal and pull out all the lighting and stuff that we need. So we're gonna do a vlog style. If you're new here, please don't watch this video first. I have plenty of other actual videos on my channel. But my name is Aurora. I make videos all about beauty, fashion, and home decor on a budget. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to do that. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Roybell with 3 L's and 1 E. We're gonna get right into this. I'm grabbing my skincare stuff. I keep it actually in my closet. That's where we are right now. So we're gonna grab everything we need. And, oh my god, it all fell. And head into the bathroom. You see what I mean? It's such bad lighting in here. I think we need a light because that's just not okay. I have a light. So usually I dread taking off my makeup. Most days I don't wear makeup because I'm just sitting in the house. So most days I don't wear makeup. I'm usually just chilling in the house, and then the days that I film is when I put makeup on. So yeah, okay. What I do first is I use a scrunchie. This is my INH hair scrunchie. Use code RORY for 15% off. And I just throw my hair up in some sort of a bun. Please ignore my discolored armpits. Okay. I just realized I've been wearing my sweats backwards all day. I'm such a mess. Okay, so I'm starting off by washing my hands with some normal soap. I don't want to touch my hands with, I don't want to touch my face with dirty hands. Such a bad video already. Okay, so my lovely boyfriend got me makeup wipes the other day. Isn't that so sweet? I was sitting here and I'm like, I don't want to take my makeup off. Babe, if you ever want to buy me makeup wipes, I would love you forever. And then he literally Amazon Prime me them. So these are Neutrogena. These are fancy. That's how you know boys don't know what they're doing, because he got me the best kind. I mean, he knows what he's doing, but I'm saying, if this was me, I would get the cheapest one. He got me the best one. So sweet. Okay, so I'm taking a makeup wipe. If I'm lucky, I can use this. If I don't have a makeup wipe, I will find, ooh, you see that? I'll find something around. What am I talking about? I'll find a washcloth and just keep triple cleansing until I get it all off. But right now, usually I don't wear a red lipstick either. If I'm privileged enough to have a makeup wipe, this is what I do first. I'm just going to do the best I can with one makeup wipe because these are a hot commodity in my household. These don't smell good at all. Literally, if your friend asks you for, oh my god, it's too much going on. You know that you're a good friend if somebody asked you at the sleepover for a makeup wipe and you gave them one. Okay, so when I look like a crazy person with half of my makeup removed, look how much makeup is on that. That's horrible. Okay, then what I do is I take my Milky Jelly Cleanser. This is my favorite, and I picked it up during the Black Friday sale. So hopefully I can make it last a year so I can get it then again. I'm just kidding. So the cool thing about this cleanser is that you can apply it either to dry skin or wet. I just put a little bit of water in my hands so that I can lather it up. But if you want to use it as a makeup remover, I would recommend using it on dry skin. And the other cool thing too is that I can open my eyes while I'm using this cleanser and it doesn't sting at all. Always use face wash after a makeup wipe because I still have all this on my face. Once I feel like the majority of my makeup is off, I take my Clarisonic, get it wet. Clarisonics have changed my life. They've literally changed the way that my skin texture is. I put a little bit of Milky Jelly Cleanser on there just to double cleanse, but I don't want to use too much. And then we're gonna go in to my skin. I try not to do circular motions too much because I don't want to be too rough on my skin. And the bristles really get in there, but I don't like to do this when my makeup's like still on my face because then the brush gets really gross. Okay, and then what I do is I put some soap onto the clarisonic, like just some hand soap, and I clean the brush off that way. Untwist and I dry both parts. That's just really important to make sure that everything stays clean. So I have normal to dry skin, so everything that I use is to moisturize. So after I cleanse my face, I'm going to be using this alcohol-free toner. This is witch hazel, and I just put some on a cotton round, and I wipe this all over my face. Then I take a Q-tip, a clean Q-tip, and I take my priming moisturizer Rich. This is my favorite moisturizer for sure. This is from Glossier as well. And I use a Q-tip to dip into it because I don't want to like dip my grimy ass hands in there. Then I just apply it. And then my last step is also from Glossier. This is just my lip balm. This is the rosebalm.com. On my lips, I also really like the birthday cake one. So yeah, that is my skincare. Close up so you can see my skin. Ew, I feel like I have stuff in my eye. Yeah. This is what I try and do every single night. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. I will link everything that I use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go down below and hit subscribe, and of course follow me on Twitter and IG if you're not already. You can find me at Burry Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Bye y'all.